Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Kaiser brand stainless steel print tongs. It comes in a set of 2. Now these are insensitive to photochemicals. They are 100% stainless steel. I'm going to show you and prove that to you. They have a spiral spring and catch for hanging on the side of a tray. Tips have protective caps especially designed for working with plastic coated papers. They're about 6 inches long, 150 millimeter, and the kit comes with 2 pieces. Now, I use these primarily for soldering wires onto connectors, and I want to show you the same thing that was purchased 25 years ago. That's how long this has lasted. They didn't have the rubber on the end or the silicone on the end back then, but that's the quality of this product. It just lasts forever. Now I'm going to show you something about this. This is a very strong magnet that I use, and it will attract anything that's got any ferrous material in there. So if I look at the original one that I've had for 20 years, there's absolutely no attraction on anything, not even the spring. So let's see if they've kept it just like that. And I see no attraction on this, on the spring or anywhere on this. So what that's telling you as a consumer is that this is not going to rust with any toxic chemicals that might be if you're doing photography work in prints, or in my case I'm using acids for soldering, things like that. If you look at the profile of this, you can see it's what it looks like. You have the spring in there and it has a bushing right there, and then the top part has a curved section, bottom part is flat, and it's stamped in a certain way to give it a lot of rigidity so that when you open it up it has a lot of force on the end. And then it has these really nice silicone tips on there and to hold things in place. Now I'm not using this for photography as I mentioned, but if I have a connector to solder, I could use this to hold the connector just like that, and then I could use the other one to bring the wires in for soldering. And that may sound like a trivial thing, but to have the connector the same height as the wires, now these would be tinned and then they would be brought in with a soldering iron just like that. That's really, really handy to have. Or you could use it also to bring wires in like this and solder wires across like that also. You could do one wire at a time. Keeps them at the same level, the same height, and it holds it in place for you. So that's the application I use it for. You can even use this part right here to hold the wires if you don't want to use the silicone end. So these are just versatile, and I'm sure you're going to find other ways to use them in your lab or in your home. I was really happy to see that they still made them, because like I mentioned, this has been around for 20 years for myself. So I'm going to give these Kaiser stainless steel print tongs, the set of 2, a full 5-star rating on my channel. I know this is a great product because I've used it for 20 years, and so I think you're going to like it also. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you'll alert your new video uploads. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.